don't even understand what's happening. We've been out here for an hour looking for snow. Looking for the snow. I don't even understand what's going on out here.
Mom, Eli's covered in mud.
I know he's covered in mud. I told him to make a snow angel. Get out of here. I told him it was snow. Oh my gosh. The things I've told my children this past hour. I told them that the snow was brown today. I said the snow was brown today. What?
Madison threw a pine cone at my face.
It's because I told her that it was a snowball. Just get out there and act like snow. Oh my gosh. I'm telling them to act like the mud and the pine cones are snow. I don't even understand what else I'm supposed to do. Kids, get over here. Get over here. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, that's a snowflake. That is a snowflake. Don't touch it. Don't get anywhere near it. If you step on it, you're going to fall and you're going to break a bone, and I cannot drive you anywhere today because I do not have chains for my tires. Do you both understand me?
Mom, that's a leaf.
It's a snowflake. It's a snowflake. Get out there. Just get out there and play in the snow. 5 hours we watched the news last night. It's supposed to be up to 8 inches of snow. I don't even know what to tell them. It's like a flippin' spring day.